What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will tell you that how to use cardless cash to take money out from your bank account, and also at the same time I will show you how to deposit money into the bank with cardless cash. So right now I'm onto my cell phone, onto my Commonwealth Bank app, and all you need to do is you need to press pay button and then you click on cardless withdrawal and deposit. So you click on that, and then if you want to withdraw money from your bank account, you need to click on withdraw button and then click on start new withdrawal. All right, and then you need to click on amount, let's say $20. Done. And then you got to click on next. So I go back to the page. So maximum you can take out 2,000 limit per day. So I click on next and then click on withdraw now. Scan QR code on ATM screen. So this is what I'm going to do when I will be at the bank. So let's go to the bank right now. Okay, so now I have to scan this. So first I'll click on withdraw and then I have to scan. So did you see? And then I'll click on done, and then I'll click on confirm, no receipt, and then the $20 will come out. Did you see this, guys? $20 has come out with the cardless cash. So if you want to continue, you press continue, and then you can delete this option. And now I will show you how to deposit. So now instead of withdraw, I'll click on deposit and then start a new deposit, my account, and then I'll write anything, money, and then click next, and then I'll click on deposit, and then I have to scan it again. So I'm scanning, and then I'll click on done, and then this is my details, and then I'll click on continue, notes, continue, and then I'll type $20, and then I'll click on continue, and then I'll put my $20 in here, and then I'll click on continue again, and then it says you told us you are depositing $20 notes, we have counted $20. Is $20, continue, no receipt. Your deposit was successful. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.